It's Saturday, March 10th, 2018, 9:09 a.m. Arizona time. We're staying at Havasu Landing Resort and Casino, Havasu Landing, California. But they go by Arizona time because of a ferry that crosses Lake Havasu once every half hour. Got the camera out here running, not so much for the video part, but for the sound. It's mating season for that type of bird. Let's see if I can zoom in on him. Yeah, not getting it steady. And throughout the entire park, almost every tree has all those birds and all that sound. Well, no, I exaggerated on that, almost every tree. I'm looking at trees around here. The one right here doesn't have a single bird in it. Oh, he passed it. It's about 70, 75 degrees. Very little wind. Cloudy and overcast, may rain later today. That's our buddy TJ from California. I forget his buddy's name. TJ's driving. Okay, and I got the fire going here. Not to have heat or anything. Neighbors have been dropping by, putting their cigarette butts in. Old tissues and everything. So it was time to get it cleaned. Look like a garbage can is what it looked like. Alright, so the whole purpose of this video was for that sound. And our neighbor here at Site 307 has his air conditioner going. That's it for this one.